to the Ranchos Workout Podcast. 63 years old, but I'm as good an athlete as anybody you see in professional sports. Reason being, take care of myself, eat right, and don't take any steroids. Never took steroids. The big muscle guys you see on Facebook or YouTube are just, most of them die at an early age, 40s, usually heart attack. Why don't you take steroids? Start messing up your internal organs various ways. Not going to go into all that. But the main thing is to be consistent in your workouts, consistent in your food that you eat. So today we're going to do back workout. I guess I'll go back to 65. I haven't done it in a while. I usually like to do a set of 12. So let's get started. So what I want to do is I want to get a full reach. If I just go straight down, my arm doesn't actually fully extend. So I'm going to tilt my back like this, and then when I'm getting to the bottom, I want to act like I'm reaching into like a well, like there's no bottom to it, and then that gets a full muscle extension and workout in the back, so I'm not cutting it short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.